the incredible amount of rental demand that we always get in Lakewood, plus just how high rents have been going over the recent years. Like, dude, 1,800 all day, 16 for the other one, man, $3,400. The building is in great shape. Another cool, interesting fact with this one is you don't have to go through the freaking song and the dance that we always have to do in Lakewood with the point of sale inspection, right? Welcome to the Investment Properties for Sale show, folks. Thing is selling at or above list. We are going to provide you guys with complete transparency and education. We take you to the video tour, HoltonWiseTV, giving it to you straight. If you're investing in the greater Cleveland area, Northeast Ohio, and you're looking for high rents and extremely high tenant demand, you know that Lakewood is the creme de la creme, man. Check this deal I got for you guys today. 1527 Lakewood Ave, okay? This is a duplex, and we are going to be able to pull down a ton of rent out of this sucker for you guys, right? What we have going on here currently is the upstairs is being rented at a discount to somebody for $1,215 a month. That lease is good till the end of September 2025, and then the downstairs unit will be vacant upon purchase. That is currently owned, or I should say occupied by the owner, right? She's living there herself. So when you get both of these units with market rate tenants, you are looking at probably like $3,400 a month. I mean, the upstairs unit having the third floor with it, that third bedroom, and the incredible amount of rental demand that we always get in Lakewood, plus just how high rents have been going over the recent years. Like, dude, 1,800 all day, 16 for the other one, man, $3,400. The building is in great shape, right? Prior to the owner moving back into her property, she had Holton-Wise do some work on it and stuff. So we've taken care of like furnaces, hot water tanks. So you're getting newer mechanicals. This thing is in freaking stellar condition. Another cool, interesting fact with this one is you don't have to go through the freaking song and the dance that we always have to do in Lakewood with the point of sale inspection, right? For those of you in the know, you might not know this little intricate detail, but Lakewood is one of the cities in the greater Cleveland area that require a point of sale inspection, which is, my opinion, a little bit of a government overreach, but hey, we're not going to get into all that right now. But what it is they come in and they do inspections anytime somebody wants to sell the property, and then they issue like violations. And a lot of the times it's like ticky-tack stuff. Like, I've done inspections, point of sale inspections in the area where like the inspector cites like must remove bike from grass because the day the motherfucker was there, like some kid put their bike in the grass. Like, for real, dude, like this is the use of our tax dollars. But again, I digress. But a cool thing is, in Lakewood, they only do it on non-owner occupied rental properties, right? So because the owner actually lives in her unit, this property is exempt from that. So we don't have to deal with any of that BS, right? So it'll be a quick, easy, clean closing, right? So if this property interests you and you're interested in making an offer, you're going to want to send that to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com. But I don't want you to do that just yet. Don't click off the video just yet because obviously as I've been talking, you've been looking at footage of my team in there doing the video tour. I want you to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you all that footage completely uncut, unedited, so you'll get to see the good, the bad, the ugly. I want you to see everything. We're all about transparency. Then after you watch that and you decide if you want to make an offer on this thing, just send me an email, sales@HoltonWise.com. Just let me know how much you want to offer the seller. If you're paying cash or if you're financing, I'm going to need proof of funds pre-approval, which route you want to go, right? So if like you want to pay cash, I need to see a screenshot of your bank account, not somebody else's bank account. I better see the name on that bank account match the person who's emailing me. Or you can send me a pre-approval from a lender. If you need lenders, I got that for you. We're not going to be bothering the tenant. We're going to need an offer prior to anybody doing like a home inspection or touring it, right? So pay attention to the video tour at the end of this show and then make your offer. And then, of course, we'll get you in there for all due diligence. You could do your inspection. You could do your appraisal, obviously. We want to get you all the due diligence, but we're not just going to be bothering the owner and her tenant for every looky-loo that wants to like tour the property. That's why we got the video tour. That's why you better be paying attention to the end of the video. Then and only then, send your offers to my team, sales@HoltonWise.com.
You brought a key, you say?
Is this when the battery falls out?
Yeah.
Oh.
1529. You can't say things when I'm recording.
You say everyone around here looks weird.
Yeah.
You just start just like putting people on a spike and just.
That garage always look like that.
He's got gangster stuff. I like it. I jumped down. I was like, have you seen this?
Yeah, you know the camera doesn't do it justice either, so. She cut the grass here, or are we still doing it?
We stopped when she moved in.
Huh, okay.
Did I just put some dog food?
No, I think you're good. Did I?
I don't know, I felt something. I
Okay.
don't see it on my boots though.
Yeah, there is something there, but I don't think it's dog poop. I think it's just a wet leaf. Alright. Porch is in pretty good shape.
What if she changes her mind? She's like, you know what? I really like Lakewood.
Could be worse, I guess. Oh yeah, this is the with that cool mural thing.
Smells good.
Absolutely. Very nice in here. That's cool.
You got a room though?
Yeah, unlike some studio
What is she at?
equipment. Okay. Bedroom 1. Looks good.
Is she like scared got moved in?
Yeah.
I don't want to be in the video.
Bathroom. It's pretty wild. I don't remember this unit or this bedroom being this size. I do remember the kitchen.
I just heard her say it's unlocked and coming in.
Okay, well, we can go that way then. And I'll do the basement last. Yeah.
Let's just pump it out.
She said we could just come in.
Yeah, she said it's unlocked. I told her we just not go up.
Oh, cool. Come on down. Here.
Hello? Hey!
Okay, so I just got a TV delivered today because I had a bit of an expensive accident last night.
Things happen.
So I didn't think I'd have enough time to replace that one and put this one back. So I can just slide this wherever so it's out of your shot.
Oh, that's okay.
So I just wanted to let you know we can move this wherever. We just had a
I see.
Yeah, is boo boo. My bad.
On the bright side, TVs are getting pretty cheap these days.
You know
Did
what?
you get this one from Walmart?
I did.
It was what, like 198 or something? I just saw it. I was just at Walmart. I almost got tempted enough to buy it myself.
It's a good TV. It's the second one I bought.
There you go.
Let me know if I need to move anything or if I need to move.
No, you should be good.
So
I don't
sorry.
think I'm adding much light.
No, but there's a lot of light up here, so
There's
it's.
a lot more natural light than downstairs.
Yep. Alright, and then is it okay if we leave? Well, I have to do upstairs too, but is it okay if I leave through the back door? So I can, because I got to do the basement still.
Yeah, that's
okay. Yeah, see that sink?
New TV right there.
Ooh, hey kitty.
Sorry, he's curious. Neither of you are allergic, right?
No. We're good. And even if I was, I'd bear it. That's a cute cat.
I mean, I
I like that.
What, Florida? Or the
Oh,
Minecraft?
it's this bed.
Oh.
But yeah, Florida's pretty cool too.
I thought you were talking about the posters.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna snag the light from you. Just... Oh my goodness.
Damn, it keeps going.
Yeah, I've seen it's huge. This is the one where
It's been a very long time since I've been in this one. That's pretty cool.
this is the one I was telling Derek. I showed this unit and I had these two guys come. They come upstairs and then I never saw them leave.
Oh, so you're like running around?
Yeah, I ran around because at that time everything was empty.
Yeah.
So I'm going through both units. I'm like, where the heck are these guys?
Rumor has it they still live in these walls.
All right, hon, we're done. I'm gonna head out this back door if you want to lock up.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for letting us in.
I locked the front door when we came up, by the way. You're good down there.
Yeah, I'm like running up and down this hallway. Like, where the hell are these guys?
Does that help with any light? No.
No, this, yeah, it's that one down
This
there.
light switch, I think, behind you for the basement, or is this outside? Nope.
This beside me here, but I don't. Okay. Sorry, I don't care if you either. Dang. Nice furnaces. Cool management company sticker.
You want me to I'll open these on for you?
Perfect. It's a brand new hot water tank. What the hell? What are those things?
Art.
Can't get to the front of that one now.
You might be able to get it at a distance on the other side of all that stuff. She seems like she might be pretty good. Is this all her stuff?
Yeah, no, there's a bunch of shit in the way. Oh well. Oh well. So much for Vince not being in the video.
I gave up on that. Still got that weird squeak.
I'm too erotic with my movements.
You can get it at a distance from the sun.
Bam! Furnace.
Tis there.
Yeah.
With open.
And then these used to be like sectioned off. Like one of these was down. One of them was up, but it looks like these tenants gave up on that, which is cool.
No big deal.
Yeah, if you trust the people you live with, who cares?
Get your pals.
Alright, so we can just leave out the back door. You're very welcome. Did you lock the handle on that? Okay.
I'm gonna leave it as is. She's only walking her dog. She's right there.
When something happened in every unit, you're like, I forgot we had this.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.